Yeah, it's weird having them with two different carbules.
That's why I grabbed one in sterile. I was like, that's weird. So the needle was kind of hard to screw on though, so I kind of scrubbed it. Maybe there's some gunk on that part too, but I don't know. It was weird.
Yeah, it's surprising actually. It doesn't look like it, but it's quite moving. Alright.
You gotta work on it.
Quite good. It's very good. It's very good. I love dark chocolate anyways, so it's the best.
Falling asleep. I feel like this is what you hear when you walk into that bed shop in Old Town.
One more tooth.
How many?
I got it.
Oh, you got the word?
Orbit.
Orbit. Oh wow. R-I-T, yeah. How about starting time?
6:05:15 and then
5:15
get ready.
You're
countdown.
late with the
Okay.
news.
That's cool.
Yeah, well, I guess they had the dad lost his phone. That's the only gist I got. He had got a new phone number and didn't tell anybody, so he was.
Doesn't make sense to get a new phone number.
I don't know.
Yeah, I was about
It's
to say
Something
the same
straight
thing.
either.
You